So you're planning to buy the D6 Ampligame controller, or you already bought it, but you have some issues, some problems. The first problem you're going to see is when you connect the controller to your preferred device, you get this screen. For some reason, you cannot do nothing. You open the app, nothing is happening. In today's video, I'm going to show you the proper way how to set up this controller with OBS. Let's start with the video now. Second thing, when you try to plug the Ampligame to any USB port, doesn't work. For some reason, you have the screen, nothing is happening. You open the app, nothing is happening. What you should do is make sure to try different USB port. This is how the Ampligame controller will work. Try multiple USB ports and this is gonna work. And now let's try to set up this controller with OBS. So after you open the app, check for software update. On the top left, you're gonna see a settings option and you're gonna see a check for updates, but the device has been updated already, so there is no updates. Now, after you update the device, make sure to grab something from the OBS tab. So let's grab the record button. And as you can see, the device is not being connected. You're gonna see your IP address, your server, but there's no password. And on the bottom, it says it's not being connected. Now, let's go to OBS now. And on the top left, you're going to see help and tools. We need the tools option. And on the bottom, you're going to see WebSocket server. Press on that. And this is your WebSocket server. We need the password. So what you have to do is just press show content info. Yes. And this is going to be your password. You're going to see your server IP, server port, and server password. So you need to copy the password. So press on copy. And now on the bottom, you're going to see apply, cancel, and OK. Make sure to press on apply. And now press OK. And now we need to go back to the app. So as you can see, this is the app. We need to put the password on the password option. So Control and V, and now connect. And as you can see now, it's being connected. So now you can use the device with OBS. So just add anything else you like. So for example, let's add the stream. And as you can see here on the bottom, it says it's being connected. So if this video is helpful, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video to many people who got the same issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.